Welcome back, YouTube family. Today, we're diving into something spicy, yet incredibly important. What to say to her during sex that'll make the moment even more intense and unforgettable. Words can be powerful in the bedroom, and knowing exactly what to say can take your connection to the next level. Ready to turn up the heat? Let's get into the 5 best things you should tell her while having sex that will drive her wild. 1. Compliment her body. Number 1. Compliment her body. This might sound simple, but in the heat of the moment, telling her how incredible her body feels will make her melt. Say things like, "You feel so amazing," or "Your body drives me crazy." These words not only boost her confidence, but also make her feel desired and cherished. Women love to feel appreciated, especially when they're vulnerable in the moment. When you let her know how much you adore her body, it intensifies the experience for both of you. 2. Tell her what she's doing feels incredible. Next up, tell her that what she's doing feels incredible. Whether it's the way she's moving, the way she's touching you, or the way she's making you feel, let her know how amazing it is. You can say things like, "That feels so good," or "I love it when you do that." This not only boosts her confidence, but also lets her know she's driving you crazy. It creates a feedback loop of pleasure. When she knows she's turning you on, she'll be even more into it. Trust me, this will take the moment to a whole new level. 3. Whisper something naughty. Now let's talk about getting a little naughty. Whispering something dirty or naughty in her ear can completely change the vibe. You can say things like, "You're making me so hard," or "I can't wait to make you come." These types of lines play into the sexual tension and heighten the excitement. When you whisper something dirty, it not only turns her on, but also brings you both into the moment with raw, unfiltered passion. Just be sure to match the energy of the moment. Start slow and build up to it as things get more intense. 4. Reassure her. She's doing everything right. Sometimes, she just needs a little reassurance that she's doing everything right. A simple, "You're perfect," or "You're so good at this," can go a long way. When she feels confident, she'll let herself go, and that's when things get really amazing. Confidence is key, and when you give her those small affirmations, it allows her to relax, enjoy the moment, and completely lose herself in the pleasure. It's all about creating that space where she feels adored and empowered. 5. Tell her you're close, and bring her along with you. And last but not least, tell her when you're getting close. When you say, "I'm so close," it lets her know you're on the edge and invites her to join you. This creates a shared, intimate moment where the two of you can finish together. You can even take it up a notch by saying, "I want you to come with me," or "Let's finish together." This line not only bonds you in the moment, but also heightens the emotional and physical connection. The shared climax becomes a powerful, unforgettable experience. There you have it. The 5 best things you can say to her during sex. Compliment her body. Let her know how incredible she's making you feel. Whisper something naughty. Reassure her she's perfect. And bring her along when you're close. These words will not only intensify the moment, but also deepen the connection between you two. Remember, it's not just about what you do, but also what you say. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your favorite line to say in the bedroom. Until next time, keep the passion alive. See you in the next video, and don't be afraid to speak up in the bedroom. It makes all the difference.